Hello and welcome back. Today, let's see how we can easily elevate our designs with text gradient. It is free and we can use it with free Canva and with Pro Canva. So let's come back to Canva homepage, and here we can choose any design. For example, I'm choosing social media and let it be Facebook post. I'm clicking create blank. Now let's go to the left side menu and click apps. And here we can enter type gradient into the search field. And choosing this one, type gradient, this one app, click on it. And here we can enter our text. For example, I'm entering text gradient. And once again. Okay, now we can choose the font. Click on font, and here we see a lot of fonts. Okay, I'm choosing Anton font, and now we need to go back. So clicking here, this little arrow, and now we can choose alignment and line height. We see spaces between lines, so we can adjust it. And here we see the gradient. We can click on the first circle, and here we can adjust the color. For example, I'm choosing this one. Now I'm clicking on the next circle. And the last one, let it be yellow. And I'm clicking here near the design. And I'm clicking here. So we see our gradient. We can adjust here the position or change it. And when it suits us, we can click Add to Design. And here you go. We can duplicate the page. Clicking here, 3 dots, and duplicate page. Now I'm clicking on the text, and I can play with other gradient. For example, I'm choosing other colors. And I can adjust. And clicking Update Element. And here you see, we have our gradients. So we can change the text. We can go here and we can enter other text. And we can change alignment. We can change the font. Clicking arrow. And changing the colors. And clicking Update Element. And here you go. So I hope you like this wonderful Canva new feature, type gradient. Click like and click subscribe my channel, and see you next time.